So Kyler and I pulled up one of these logs because we're going to get rid of them. Kyler tells me they're not good for various reasons, and I've just been convinced that he's right because this is so gross. We lifted this one up and there are spider webs and nests and baby sacks. We saw this like ugly red lobster looking thing in that little sack and it crawled out, but look at these sacks. How many spiders do you think is in each of those sacks? So Kyler's gonna go mix up some bug killer right now. He said, you know, this is probably the reason why we have so many bugs in our house. He's probably right because look at this. Disgusting. So now I know, well, and on top of that, the wood is rotting underneath. And so they're just creating this little network of living under here because as it crumbles away, it creates crevices and holes for them to live in. And we saw a bunch of spiders scurry away into the dirt. Ooh. Oh boy, I can't wait to get rid of these. Ugh. I mean, look, in this one spot. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I mean, ugh. And they're everywhere. I mean, most of them are probably just remnants of old spider nests, but they're here anyway. They're still here. Ooh, there's the red ugly thing. It's under there. Oh, I just saw it. Where'd it go? You see it? What is that? Oh, that's a smaller red ugly thing. The one we saw was a lot bigger. Gives a little heebie-jeebies. Doesn't smell very good either. This breeding ground for grossness. I kind of want to poke one, but I don't think it's a very good idea. What if I poke it with this instead? Will the spiders all come out? Oh, oh, it's just like a... Oh, there's the red thing. Look at it. Do you see it? Not that one, this one. What is that? It's like a crab. What is it? It's coming out of a little sack thing. I've never seen anything so weird and gross looking. Ugh. Well, it's gone. I'd have to ask Google what it is. What happens if I poke one? I'm scared. Oh, it collapsed. That little red thing's still in there. Oh, sorry. I saw a dead spider body. I didn't know what it was. Well, whatever those red things are, I want to get rid of them. I've never seen it. Look, it's right there. What is it? What is that nasty looking thing? If it would come out, I could ask Google. I think that'll just scare it more into its whole meal. I'm gonna run out of space on my phone, so I better stop. If I get more info, I'll let you know.